You ever feel like saving money means sacrificing everything fun in life? What if I told you that you can save more without feeling broke? Stick around, because I'm sharing the smartest ways to save that actually work. Why saving feels hard. Saving money isn't just about cutting expenses. It's about making smarter choices. And no, you don't have to eat instant noodles every night. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save without even thinking about it is automation. Set up an automatic transfer of a small percentage of your paycheck into savings. If you don't see it, you won't miss it. The 24-hour rule. Impulse purchases are budget killers. Next time you want to buy something that isn't essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it and can afford it, go for it. Most of the time, you'll forget about it and save money. The fun fund method. Saving doesn't mean you have to give up fun. Create a separate fund specifically for things you enjoy. That way, you can have guilt-free spending without touching your main savings. Cut costs without sacrifice. You can save money without changing your lifestyle. Use cashback apps, negotiate bills, and downgrade subscriptions you don't use. It's free money. The No-Spend Challenge. Try a no-spend challenge for a week. Only buy essentials. You'll be surprised how much you can save by avoiding small daily splurges. Call to action. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money-saving tip.